Determining what type of discount or other financial incentive your customer will be interested in getting. Study your market to determine what type of discount or other financial incentives your customer will be interested in getting. Are they looking for a coupon code for a specific product? Would they prefer a discount on their current order or a future order? Would they prefer a discount percentage of the following order on the total order or just a single product? You should try different incentives to detect which one best suits the market, which customer responds best. Always remember to keep track of your incentive campaign so that you can measure results more appropriately. After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.